fix the black screen issue in Palworld on Steam and Xbox Game Pass. If Palworld launches but stays stuck on a black screen, freezes after the logo, or never reaches the main menu, this issue is usually caused by corrupted game files, incompatible graphics settings, outdated GPU drivers, or overlay and full-screen conflicts. Many fixes online are long and confusing, telling you to reinstall Windows or change risky system files. But that's not necessary. Today on Rexish, I'll show you a fast and safe method that actually works. First, we'll fix startup display conflicts that cause Palworld to load into a black screen. Then we'll repair game files to remove hidden corruption that breaks loading. After that, we'll adjust a few simple graphics and Windows settings that commonly trigger this issue on both Steam and Game Pass versions. This fix works on NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel GPUs, keeps your saved data safe, and doesn't require advanced technical skills. If Palworld keeps showing a black screen, crashing on launch, or freezing before gameplay, this method will get you back into game without reinstalling everything. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix the Palworld black screen problem on PC, comment below and I'll break it down clearly on Rexish.